You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this river in southwest England between Devon and Cornwall. If you want to learn more names of famous places in England, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Tamar. The Tamar River, or should really be said as River Tamar. River Tamar. English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.